everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name's Rhonda, better known as Hot Mess Mama MD, the makeup diva, not medical doctor. But anyways, on today's video, we will be doing the unboxing of these two boxes right here. They are from Beautycon, and if you're new to the whole Beautycon thing, don't worry, so am I. I'm slowly learning about it, but my understanding is twice a year or something like that, they do like these big events where they have all these different companies come in and you learn about different products and things like that. Now, I could be wrong on that. Like I said, I'm still learning, but I went online to beautycon.com and was kind of trying to check out if you can get tickets and how everything works, when the events are, stuff like that, and I came across the option to purchase these little boxes. Now, these boxes, well, not little, but these boxes that are filled with goodies. I have yet to open these. I just received them today. They retail for $35 a piece, so this would have been $70 plus shipping. However, they had a coupon, which I will make sure to link in my description box down below. I don't know if this coupon is still available. I'm not sponsored or affiliated or anything like that. I don't get a kickback if you use this coupon code, but I will tell you guys that my total would have been $70 for both of these boxes, and with this coupon, I only paid with shipping $29. I got both boxes for $21 plus $8 in shipping. So anyways, if you're interested to see what I got in both of these Beautycon boxes, then stay tuned. Okay, so I'm going to tell you guys right off the bat, I took my really long nails off. Now I have little kid hands. But I did this new, well, new to me. I think it's been around a while. It's like this powder process with your nail. So instead of putting acrylic or shellac or gel or whatever, they like polish your nail and then you dip it into like this little jar full of powder, and then it comes up with like these little colors. It's really cute, but as goofy as it sounds, I have a harder time texting on my phone with these itty bitty little nothing nails than I did with my ginormous long nails. Does anybody else get these issues? You know, and I didn't do it because I had to. It was just one of those things where, I'm getting my scissors out. It's one of these things where like I'd had the long nails on for probably 6 to 8 months, like just repeatedly getting new sets. Then I'm like, let's give the nails a break. Now I just don't know how I feel about it. But anyways, what's it called? I digress. I'm doing that. Okay, so this box is much heavier than this box, so of course I'm super intrigued, but I'm going to open the lighter one. The boxes that I picked up, one is the Beautycon shop box, and it's actually from fall 2016, so it's a bit old. I'm assuming that's this box right here. This box is called the Classic Kit. I don't know. I don't know anything about it. So, got my scissors ready. We're going in. I'm pretty excited about it. I will say, I think it was like last year or something, I actually had picked up one of these boxes before, and you did get a really good variety of a bunch of different things. Some were full size, some were deluxe sample sizes, so we shall see. Okay. Ooh. Tips for the perfect unboxing. I guess they want you to go online and unbox these. I don't know. Oh my gosh, it says the fall essentials. And then it tells you a little bit of everything in here. This is going to be exciting. Look how cute. Okay, I am a packaging junkie, so when the packaging is all cute and pretty, I'm like, just like that. Alright, let's, oh my goodness, guys. Hold on, I'm going to dump everything out of this. How cute is this? My kids will love this. It's stickers. It's a bunch of stickers. So the first thing I see is by Simple. It's sensitive skin, or by the Sensitive Skin Experts. It's cleansing facial wipes. Looks like you get 7 wipes in here, so I would consider that like, you know, a nice deluxe sample. This is cute. Laser Kitten. It's a little pin, like to put on. Okay, what is it? Ooh, these are Flutter lashes. Makeup by Shayla. Makeup Shayla. Limited edition lashes. Now remember, I got these boxes for, I think it was like, what did it come down to? So I'm going to include shipping in here, and with the shipping, like I said, it came to $29. So if you divide that by 2, it's literally $14.50 a box. The next thing that I did receive is by Luxie, and it is the Luxie brush 504 large angled brush. You can never have too many brushes. I won't open everything on here for you guys. Oh, yay. These are Sugar Fina. Just little lips, like gummy lips. So that's cute. Oh, awesome. You actually get Duo Eyelash Adhesive. It's clear white to go with your lashes. So that is perfect. This is by Mystic Tan. Confidence Flirty Kissed Customizable Bronzer in Mocha. Awesome. Oh, cool. This is a sunless tanner. I'm all about that life. Ooh, this looks like a little eye gel powder eyeshadow by Milani in the shade Bella Cappuccino 03. This is actually really pretty, and it's like a nice nude, you know, nice nude shade, okay? Okay, now Ofra Cosmetics in the shade Mocha Liquid Lipstick. This is a nice shade. This is a shade that I think I saw it, it was in my, Allure box and my Boxycharm, or maybe it was my Boxycharm and my IPSY. Okay, so the next item is by Jouer. It's by Jouer. Jouer Cosmetics. It's Essential Lip Enhancer. So let's see. I don't have any of their anything lipstick. I just have their Skinny Dip palette and love that. Oh, okay. So this looks like it's like a, yeah. It's a moisturizer type of lipstick. Not even a lipstick, just like a lip balm type of thing. Just a hydration, conditioning lip treatment. So this is going to be perfect. I need stuff like this because my lips are a mess with this crazy weather. And then last is the Brow Gal. And this is a highlighter pencil in Gold Nude. Ooh, yes. Well, let's open that. I know I said I wasn't going to open things, but I fibbed. Sorry. Ooh, look at this. So one end, it looks like it highlights. So like for under the brow or something. And then, or you could do like on your waterline. Same with this. This has more of like a lighter shade, but it's kind of glittery. I don't know if it'll focus. But anyways, definitely going to keep that, use that, love that. Yay! Okay, on to the heavier box. And like I said, I think this is the considered maybe the, or this is the classic kit. So here we go again. Cute packaging. Holy moly. Yes, girl. Look at all of this. Do you guys see all the goodies in here? Again, $14.50. Okay, so this is the Redken Fashion Waves Sea Salt Spray. So this is a texturizer spray, full size. I got another 7-pack of the Simple Wipes, which is great because I need these. I got another cute pin, so this will get put into a giveaway or something. Y'all! Such a dork. This is awesome. 3 Luxie brushes. I got the Duo Fiber Powder Brush. Wow. What is this one? This is the Taper Highlighting Brush. Oh my gosh. What is this one? This is the Large Angled Brush. So this one I already have from the other box. Is that right? Yes. So this I can put aside and I'll do a giveaway. So here is, this is a duplicate. So again, this will go into a giveaway or something, I don't know, or a donation for the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Mocha. So I now have 2 of those. This is the Jumbo Eye Pencil by NYX in the shade Cashmere. I'm not going to swatch this because I do believe I may have this shade. So again, this will go into my donation pile or in a giveaway for you guys. Ooh. Yes, I love this mascara. This is in black. This is the Voluminous Feline Mascara by L'Oreal. I actually just picked up their Butterfly mascara, and I really do like that. I love a lot, like pretty much all of L'Oreal's mascara, so love that. I'm really excited about this, but I have like 4 backups, so I'll put this in a giveaway for you guys as well. This is the Voluminous Primer. If you guys notice, I've been trying to be really good about putting in my description box all the makeup that I'm wearing on my face. This is almost always the eye mascara primer that I use. I love it. It's by L'Oreal, and like I said, it's the voluminous primer. It works amazing if you really want that va-va-voom long lashes. I normally cake up my lashes with a lot of mascara, but this helps just like kind of prime it and put a base down. Yay! Oh my gosh, I actually do not have one of these. This is by ColourPop. This is their lippy stick. This is in the shade Beautycon. Let's see. I do not, like I said, I don't own one of their lippy sticks, unfortunately. This looks like a pretty nude. Oh, yes. Oh, I love it. Oh, I really love that. That's a definite Rhonda shade. Yes. Keeping that. Ooh, this is a glass, it looks like, nail file. Oh, this is a Chocolate Soleil by Too Faced bronzer. Then I received Milani Bella Taupe gel powder eyeshadow, full size. Another Milani, this is in Bella Cappuccino, so that's a duplicate. That'll be put into a giveaway or the donation. And last but not least is the NYX Bright Idea Illuminating Stick, and I do not own one of these. This is in Rose Petal Pop, full size. So that was everything in the second box from Beautycon. Like I said, I don't know if the coupon code is still good, but if it is, I'm going to make sure to put it in the description box so you guys can share this amazingness. I think that these boxes were absolutely amazing, especially for the fact that I got both of them with shipping for $29. Again, they retail individually for like $35 a piece. I'm all about a deal, and I think this is a heck of a deal. I mean, these Luxie brushes, the eyeshadows, everything. It was amazing. So yay, Beautycon. If you guys have not checked them out, I will make sure to also leave their website down below in the description box, as well as everything I'm wearing on my face today. It's not that much. I just got back from my daughter's basketball game, and then I'm going to be running off to my son's archery meet. So anyways, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please make sure, please make sure to hit that like button down below. As you guys know, I've been trying to mention it more in my videos that YouTube's changed the rules on us, so it's got to be 4,000 hours of everyone watching our videos, as well as we need 1,000 subscribers before we can be monetized. So, with that being said, if you did make it to the end of my video, thank you so much for your love and support. As always, I truly appreciate it. And like I said, that's all for today's video. So until tomorrow, my friends, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Bye!